G'day, here's a small parcel of small pieces of mostly knobby material from Lightning Ridge. You might get a little bit of fossil amongst it, and a couple of bits look a bit closer to seam opal, but anyway, I'll zoom in and give you a better look at it. Okay, there you go. I've zoomed in a bit. As you can see, there's some electric colours amongst it. Just move parcel around a bit so you get a better idea. Some of it looks like it's straight sunflash material, but it's quite a bit of a mixture, like this piece here. You can see black base, but the rest is crystal. There's little bright pieces like this. Some may cut small stones. Hundreds of pieces here. Crystal purple. Some of it, like that piece, has got black centre, but there's not very many big pieces amongst it. As you can see, it's mostly smaller. There's a bit of red there, the end of my thumb. Well, I think that gives you an idea of what you're looking at. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.